And these are our last two, 13 and 14. We're going to simplify the expression and write the answer using scientific notation. Can you tell I've been kind of losing my mind? Probably, but that's okay. All right, so we have 8 times 8.8 times 10 to the power of 12. The first thing we are going to do is you need to take your number out front, and you need to multiply it with the number inside. So we're going to do 8 times 8.8. When I do 8 times 8.8, I get 770. Oh, my stylus doesn't working. 0.4. Times 10 to the power of 12. Now, if I look at that number, what's wrong with it? Well, this needs to be between 7, or between 1 and 10, and right now it's way bigger than 10. So I need to move my decimal one more spot here, which means that this number here needs to go up by 1, so plus 1 there. So my new answer is going to be 7.04 times 10 to the power of 13. And that's your answer. The next one we have 0.6. Let's see, 0.6 times 6.5 times 10 to the power of negative 5. Again, you're going to take your number out front and multiply it by the number inside. So I'm going to do 0.6 times 6.5. When I do that, I get 3.9. So we have 3.9 times 10 to the power of negative 5. I want to make sure I did that right. Yeah, I did. The good news here is this is in scientific notation. My number is between 0 and 1. We're good to go. We don't have to change anything. And that's your final answer. Congratulations. You've made it to the end of your final review videos. Hopefully you're ready for your final. Good luck. I'm sure you will do great.